Hello and thank you for joining me. My name is Priscilla Romero and I am an independent Scentsy consultant. In this video I want to show you a little buddy that I got in the clearance section. If you haven't been to our clearance section lately, you should really go check it out. There's a lot of nice products in there, a lot of warmers that they have, lowered the price on for the clearance section. I will go ahead and post that link down below because you should really check out the clearance section. There's a lot of nice things in there for a lot less than the full price that it came out for at the original. Okay, so this one is Bailey the Buddy Scentsy Buddy, and this was $30. It's now $24 in the collection or in the clearance section. So I just wanted to share with you. This is Bailey the Bunny. Cute. Okay, and this is what the top looks like. And then the flap is really cute. There's a carrot, there's a beets, and it looks like lettuce, and it's just really cute decorated. The box is cute. On the flap, you'll see this punch out area. So you can punch that out so that it looks like a handle, and then you can carry the box around with you with the buddy in the box. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. Now the buddies are really soft. They're always real soft. And I'm going to just put this down there. And Scentsy never disappoints me with the buddies. Look at how cute this is. This is Bailey the Bunny. That's so cute. And it's it's nice and furry, but it's like a brown tan color. It's really cute, you guys. And then the floppy ears. And then usually on the bottom they put their Scentsy trademark there. And on the buddies they always put like a little, I call it a trademark, it's like a little design. This is extremely soft and cute. And then on the back is where the pocket is, so you just unzip it, open it up, and then you can go ahead and put the scent pack in here. So Scentsy does sell these buddies with a scent pack. It's the same title, it's the same collection. If they run out of the scent packs before the buddies, then you can pick any scent pack you want to put in it. And then when you can't smell it anymore, then you just toss it and put a new one in. So that's why I really like these buddies. You can just toss it. So you just put a scent pack in and then the buddy. And then you just zip it back up. This is so cute. And then you just enjoy it. It's extremely soft. Be cute for a little child or any adult that likes buddies and the little rabbits. And I've got some buddies behind me on my wall. I have some over here to the right of me, which is some unicorn buddies. This is so cute. Very soft. It's like a tan color. So you can tell by the ears the color of it. Look at how cute this is. I just love their buddies. So you can pick any scent pack to go with it when you purchase the buddy. So this was, it was $30. Again, it's $24, and I did get one of these to go with it. It's still $24. It's not extra. It goes as a set. So I just wanted to share with you this buddy that I got, this Bailey the Bunny Buddy. So yeah, look at how cute this is. They're so soft. They really are. Wow. Okay, so I again will put down the clearance link because you should go check out the clearance section. There's a lot of pretty warmers in there. They have buddies, they have scent bars, they have all kinds of different products that's in the clearance section right now. So I just go check it out. You might see something that you like. Just check it out. Have an open mind, just check it out, see what's there for you. You can always buy a gift and, give it to someone for Christmas or Halloween. There's some Halloween things that Scentsy has going on. So just, keep an open mind and pass it out as gifts. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and close this video, and I'm going to come back and talk to you about other items that I received. Again, this is Bailey the Bunny Buddy. Regularly $30. It's now in the clearance section for $24. You can locate me on Pinterest, Instagram, of course my VIP group on Facebook. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure the bell is grayed out so that you do get notice of when I post another video. So again, thank you again for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Thank you for your kind comments, your questions. I appreciate that. I'm usually pretty quick at answering, so please, let's communicate. I will put my email down for you as well, so you can send me an email if you like. Yeah, thank you everybody for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I hope everybody is staying safe, and everybody take care. Bye-bye.